Today we're going to talk about how Amazon FBA works. For those of you who are Amazon beginners, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Whether you have a professional or individual seller account, you can enroll in FBA. This service allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here, they are picked, packed, and shipped for you via FBA. Additionally, Amazon handles returns and provides customer service on your behalf for these orders. With FBA, your products qualify for Prime shipping, offering free 2-day shipping for Amazon Prime customers and free shipping for eligible orders for all Amazon customers. This is a great way to boost your sales in your Amazon account. Here's a breakdown of how FBA works. Start by registering for FBA and confirming the eligibility of your products. You can do this by navigating to Seller Central, selecting Account Info, and then managing your seller account information. Keep in mind that all products aren't eligible for FBA, so it's essential to review Amazon's guidelines on product eligibility. Once you've identified eligible products, you'll create an FBA shipment. This involves preparing, labeling, packaging your products according to Amazon's guidelines. Proper preparation ensures safe transportation to the fulfillment center, expediting availability for customers. If you need more information on shipping products to Amazon, we'll link a video we did on that below. After the fulfillment center receives your products, they become available for purchase in the Amazon store. Amazon handles packing, shipping, customer service, and returns for these orders. If a customer returns an item, it goes back to the fulfillment center and is subject to Amazon's FBA customer returns policy. There are two primary fees associated with FBA: the fulfillment/transaction fee and monthly inventory storage fees. The fulfillment fees cover the picking, packing, and shipping of the units, varying based on size, weight, and category. The monthly inventory storage fees depend on your inventory volume and size tiers. You can use the FBA revenue calculator in Seller Central to estimate these costs. Of course, there's more fees to consider, but for the purposes of this video, we won't go too deep into all the other fees. Let us know if you want us to make a video that digs deep into fees. Drop us a comment below if you want to hear more about all these fees. You should utilize the reporting tools on your inventory dashboard to forecast and manage your FBA inventory effectively. These tools help maintain balanced inventory levels and avoid long-term storage fees, and keep popular products in stock. When your product sells, Amazon will ship the product to the customer. Something to keep in mind is Amazon isn't going to sell your product for you. Amazon is more of a platform, and if your products require more visibility, then you will have to advertise these products yourself. If you sell name brand products via wholesale or arbitrage, then the key is to pick products with great Amazon BSR or bestseller rank. If you sell private label products, then it will be 100% on you to get visibility for your products. Let us know if you'd like us to make a video all about optimizing and advertising your private label products. We'll also link a playlist down below which may be helpful. Amazon FBA offers a powerful solution for sellers looking to streamline their operations and reach more customers. By enrolling in FBA, you can leverage Amazon's extensive fulfillment network to store, pack, and ship your products, while also benefiting from Prime shipping eligibility and enhanced customer service. Amazon ensures visibility and helps small businesses scale much faster than the seller-fulfilled options. Remember to regularly monitor your FBA inventory, optimize your listings for better visibility, and use tools like the FBA revenue calculator to understand your costs and maximize profitability. For more Amazon FBA tips, like and subscribe.